got Jiga versus Rain. Spectating, because my controller's broken. Pretty sure Jiga is player 1. Check. Yup. CC detail. I love double jump, fast fall down air with Falco. It seems so good on shield, I don't know why. It seems better on shield than normal. Illusion getting past everybody. Nobody punishing Illusion. Up tilt back air, I like it. Loving a down tilt, got the edge cancel. Back throw. Oh, gets the gambit, yeah! How did he? Falco privilege! How did he survive? Got it. That was tough. The only way to survive that would have been with, like, the perfect angle. That was a good back air. That's actually... Oh, these are great back airs. Oh, the combo. Oh! Yo! Yo, is that really Jiga? Yo! Going high? Oh, no high side B. I don't know what the shine was about. I guess trying to reflect those lasers. Rain trying to read the movement to top platform. Smart. Now he's stuck up there. Wisely does the down air on the platform to stop Jiga from just being able to jump and chase him up there. Makes it back. Good shine. Get up attack. See, that would have been a good opportunity to just... Oh... Alright. Are we really pulling out the puff so soon? Okay, he's just teasing the puff. Starting out with lasers. I was recently watching a KJH video who was doing a PPMD versus Leffen analysis, and he talked about how the single lasers from Fox are just actually just so dangerous. I'm gonna try to keep track of, like, if the single laser happens again, I'm gonna try to keep track of just how successful it is. Good movement from Rain. Up throw? What's the follow up? It's a full hop back air. Another back air to take a stock. Alright. Amazing things are about to happen. And I don't like that Fox chose an angle there. Fox should have gone straight up, just in case Doc caped. Up tilt works. Oh. No crouch canceling coming out from Doc. Now it's too late. Decides to up throw. What kind of follow up? Side. Oh, where's the cape? Well, Fox chose to go straight up that time. Smart. Cape? Alright. Maybe he's like Mango, or Scorpion Master, excuse me. Doesn't believe in the cape. Just raw dash attack. Scary. What was that up air? Shine turn around back air. That's what you should have done there. We're gonna run off stage, shine turn around back air. I wonder if they're playing nervous because I'm watching. They know I'm watching. I don't think... They don't know I'm commentating. Shine. That's it. That's Fox. That's Fox, baby. I like it. Embrace the Gimp. See, if Doc was caping all these times, then stocks might be a little more even. Doing the Wheel of Fortune on him. Side B. One side B deserves another. Bring out that cape. Let's go. Left. Oh, in place. No tech. There's the cape. Left. Get up attack. So Jiga right now on this pattern of getting up in place or missing the tech and get up attack. Up smash. Wow. Trying to do him dirty. Face me like a man. Roll. But why though? Sending a message. You gotta switch off dog after that. Go Falco. Okay. Is this an upgrade? That was a good nair. That was a good nair because you end up in a good position, like you end up in a safe position, and you've crossed your opponent up and possibly done damage. Up here. Missed a double jump. Here we go! Oh! That feels bad. That feels bad. Get him, Mario. Yep. You can feel the rage coming. Oh, good. Oh, we shield grab and get up attacks now. We're reading. Rain is playing really well, and I really feel like he was hurt by that up smash just like I was. Like, oh, look at this. This is like near perfect play. That, and if he could just like capture the emotion like of that stock and put it into every stock, it'd be great. Get back here. Up there, back air there, because you don't want to risk trading with Mario's nair, just like with Samus's nair. You don't want to risk that. Up smash. Playing around on the platforms a bit. Oh, just shine him. That was a bad recovery then. If you're getting shine like that, so we spot that ledge or air dodge on or something. Cape? Okay, it didn't matter because... What? You are a madman! What? Rain. Forward throw, shine gimp. Good drill to prevent that. Roll left? No, Rain does not roll away. Jiggle would have rolled there. Don't die here. Okay. Oh, this is bad for Fox. Oh, should have just caped. Let go of Legend cape. Or let go of Legend back air. One of the two. Cape? Okay. Down smash. Fox too good.
10 years from now. So far away, it's almost impossible to imagine.
Alright, serious mode. The mains come out.
Me, I'm sure you're causing all
Falcon goes to edge for some reason. It's cool. And we're back. When Jigglypuff goes... Oh, is this... Oh. Yeah, when Jigglypuff is like full hop height above Falcon, that's so scary for Puff because Falcon just needs to do up airs for days, and it's just so much percent. Quickly gets Puff into that kill percent for a knee. And here comes the knee. Yeah, this is that percent. So will Rain go off stage? Yes, he does. That was a risk. Don't try it again. Good patience for Rain. Oh, you're off stage now. Ah, Puff's gonna take that. Yeah. Yeah. Nope, not gonna get anything. Do not double jump out after her. You just gotta hold your breath and pray. I prefer the Falcon Punch. Or the forward smash. Put some fire on that. Stomp grab. You could have gotten a stomp in there first. Up air. Knee. Wow. Okay. Up air could have possibly comboed, so it was a better choice. Don't die. Good patience from Jiga, not going for the rest there, because it was a little misspaced. Up throw is not gonna combo, so should probably down throw. Maybe it was an accident. Down throw. Yep. Oh, the lag spike. Oh, down. Oh, okay, you could definitely like ledge hop, down air, ledge hop stomp that. Shield. Thank goodness. Oh, poor Jiga. All right, Rain. The honor stock, the double honor stock. Who has the most honor here? All right, so yeah. So Rain can hit these shuffled up airs, which is great, but so far Jiga doing a good job of evading them. But if he connects one of them, it's probably gonna like combo. Back air? Don't challenge the back air. Good, Rain gets out of there. Roll left. Oh, Jiga was thinking it as well. Rain doesn't roll. That's the thing. Like I've also, this is the second time that I'm realizing, you know, Rain's not about running away from his opponent. Falcon Punch. Thank you. There we go. Let me let them know that I'm actually commentating. Alright, we're back. I missed what happened, but I mean, clearly there was some death. And it's only been 30 seconds. Probably some SDs. Oh, no. No. Alright, I guess the down throw knee. I wonder if you could, like, down throw stomp puff. Because that might actually be like a nipple spike. And then you can get like a tech chase stomp. I wonder if that's actually a thing at low percents. Instead of like stomp. Okay, so if you could do a stomp grab for a rest punish at 0, that means you could do stomp grab, stomp, tech chase, stomp, knee, which sounds nasty. I wonder if that would actually connect. I might have to lab that out, or I'll get Rain to get Rain to do my dirty work. It's this character. He should do it. Yo. Okay. That was a really good nair. I like seeing good spacing. It's so important. Down throw. What were those up airs? Just cartwheeling his way from the left to the right of the stage. That could have been a rest. Oh, it still is. I didn't know drill rest worked like that on fast fallers, or maybe he just didn't DI out of it. Get out of that drill. Roll right? No, he doesn't roll. He doesn't roll. He doesn't roll. And Jiga, aware of that, does not try to read a roll. Goes high. Good back airs. Fast. That was a fast back air. Sweet spots. Jiga lets him back on. Again! Wow, that is a thing. So Falcon would really have to smash the eye out of the drill. Up air. So on a small stage like this, like you want to really make sure that you don't get hit. You want to really tack on percent and like hit and run, because the first person to be at a high enough percent where they get knocked off the stage on a stage this small, like, it matters that much more. Oh, fell off the platform, couldn't follow up. Tries to go for the hack stash. So right there, Rain could have like stomped the cloud. If you go back and take a look, you can like Rain says, man, Jigs is weird. Jiga says, actually appreciate that, thank you. Well, unless he's talking to, maybe he's talking about me, the fact that I'm recording it. I did hit record, right? That would be a shame. Okay, good. That would have been like really bad. So stage this big and no platforms to land on, Falcon definitely can do some damage if you can get that juggle with the up airs. Good spacing from with the back air from Jiga. Oh, don't let the up tilt happen ever. Bad punish, no punish actually. Up airs. Look for Jiga to roll. He's gonna roll out of pressure. Oh. Rain doesn't give him a chance. No rest. Let Chop rest. Like, I'm pretty sure H-Box would let Chop rest. And it seemed like Falcon hit the ground there, so he might have had a chance to tech. I'm not sure. Oh, look at that ledge cancel. Jab. Roll? No roll. Roll here? Jiga not rolling. Nobody's rolling. Interesting. That's good. Shouldn't be. But oh wow. I also feel like Jiga was rolling earlier, and I wonder if this is, I guess, a testament to just how confident he is right now. So Rain needs to put the fear of God back into Jiga's heart. And these poorly spaced down arrows aren't going to do it. Down throw? Knee? Okay. Jiga should be able to get out of that with an air dodge. If you just like jump and air dodge and just mash that. Nair. Goes for it. This is death. You shouldn't actually risk that when you can die from a Falcon punch if you miss that rest and you're not like 100% sure you're going to get that rest. Don't go for the rest. But then again, I mean, Jiga's feeling confident. He's playing confident. Stomp to what? To grab? See, he stomp, grab, down throw, stomp, stomp, knee. That's gonna be the Rain. Call that. Let's name it after the game. We'll call it Heavy Rain. The Heavy Rain combo. Because it's like raining down airs. Oh. Is this? Oh. It was almost something. I don't know what it was, but it was almost something. Stomp. Wait for ages for Puff to come down. I do like threatening with up air. That's good. Puff is on ledge. Rain. That's it? Yeah. Puff on ledge. Not that great for Puff. Not bad, but not that great. Would have been nice for Rain to contain Puff over there a little bit better. Gets the grab. Falcon off stage against Puff, you're not making it back. Just think about your next stock at that point. But it went the wrong way. Up air? Yeah, knee was too slow. Should have up aired. Knee could have worked there. There's an up air kill. It seems like Jiga might have slowed down a little bit. Not sure why. Wow. Rain. Okay. Maybe Jiga was just scouting out that rest, but Rain trying to read with these forward smashes. No, no, no. Just at least DI left or right. Don't just like stay in that vertical position where Puff can easily follow up with rest. Make him work for it. Good. See right there was slight DI to the right, and it was enough for Puff to miss that. Looks like Jiga's trying to give Rain some experience and DIing properly on this up tilt. Back air, yeah. See, when you know that your opponent wants to back air you, don't try to challenge it. Like, and Puff wants to back air all the time. So if you jump and intercept that and just get hit by the... That rollout is so dangerous. If you just... Especially since Falcon's at 0, if you just get hit by the rollout, Puff will bounce off of Falcon's body and not make it onto the stage, and that's the stock. Spam knee, why not? Good power shield. Left, yeah. So we roll left in situations like that. So Rain does roll. Good DI from Jiga to not get that knee, or not get hit by that knee. We tech those. Can you imagine like tech rest? I know it's been done before, but by Jiga? Maybe, maybe not. Not yet. I would stomp that. Doesn't matter because Puff died already, but Puff out there with no invincibility and right below the lip of the stage. Why not throw a stomp? Like, I feel a good spot for Falcon to be would be like diagonally, like if here's Puff, if Falcon's like right here, like diagonally above Puff, you can threaten with Stomp. I feel like Stomp would beat Puff's forward air, back air, and trade with up air. And since it trades with up air, you won't be comboed. You'll both be in tumble or whatever, knockdown. So that might actually be a pretty good place to be if you could just stick with the diagonal. Maybe. Well, should have DI'd to the left. Like, the entire match, like, here's how you don't miss your DI. The entire match, DI left or right, never up. Like, a lot of people, oh! I'm glad, though, that Rain went for that down air when Puff was right below the lip of the stage. It's just like what I was saying. However, you can survive. Yeah, he's going to survive it this time. It's just a matter of not fastballing it. He could have, instead of that short hop up air that Rain just did, could have done a single hit in air and it would have connected. Left. Falcon Punch, dude. Just do it. Oh. Embrace the gifts that are given to you. Like, now you're more tilted because you just got killed by that. We just playing around now. Okay. Ripperoni. Yo, did he just run up quickly and rest? And then try to rest again? Knee? You gotta work on your follow-ups. I know at this point Rain is probably tilted. And that's another thing, it's just another thing to work on. Just like you have to practice your tech skill, you also have to practice your mental skills, like not getting tilted and also being able to connect combos under pressure. Good up air. And decent up air. Could have actually fast fallen and L-cancel that up air. Forward throw, get off stage. Puff could have like chased with run off forward air, and that would have been a dead Falcon after a few more hits. Rest. Falcon Punch. Yes, thank you. Embrace it. I like it. I actually like the space up airs. And those are reverse up airs too, like I feel like somehow that's less likely to be punished. Just from the way the hitbox looks. Or the way the model looks, I don't know. Rain, you should like run in there and shield or something. Like you should throw some dash dancing in. Just as I say dash dance, he dash dances. Take the hit! Yes! Yeah, dude! God, just don't throw away the lead! So at this point, like, if you're trying to just add damage, you're not gonna win if you're challenging Puff's back air. So you need to like double jump. Jiga too good. Like getting around this back air, you're either gonna have to shield the back air and then do some aerial out of shield, or you're gonna need to double jump so that you're too high for a short hop back air to hit. At which point, like, Puff can do a full hop back air and can do other things. Or you should like dash dance to like mix up the timing of the patterns a bit until you can find your opening, and then go in there with something that you would overshoot so you don't get shield grabbed. Death. Oh, that's light DI. Enough to save Rain. I mean, this is juicy percent. As Falcon, you should be mindful of the percent where Puff probably wants to do up throw rest or up tilt rest. So right now you're out of that range, so Puff's going to just try to get you off stage and take the stock the normal way. Down throw knee? Oh my gosh, man. Learn how to connect those. You gotta get you're missing your initial dash, which I know you can hit. It's just a matter of being like tilted or under pressure, blah blah blah. Good stomp through the platform. Does the up air after. Goes for all the marbles. Take the hit. Take the hit. You're at 30%. Take the hit. Oh, I like the movement. Good knee. Surprised that second knee didn't hit. Air dodge. Oh, makes it to the ledge. Down throw knee. Man, that might have been good D on Jiga's part though. Dreamland, baby. Not connecting. Don't double jump out there. Don't risk it. Don't risk it. Don't risk it. It's the little things. The little things. Should have jabbed him and then read the roll to the left and then rested that. The mango. Roll right. Yeah, see? Okay, so puff under pressure. What? Cloud? Challenging. And actually forced his way in a little bit with those up airs. I'm surprised that worked. It traded, but it was working, kind of. He's still trying to force, like... You can't come in at the exact moment when Puff is throwing out a back air. You've got to, like, dash dance, wait for the back air to come out, and then try to punish the lag, even though it's, like, hardly any. Oh, wow. Almost escapes that forward smash, but it was enough to get the job done. Not gonna roll. Jiga aware of that. Continues to spam back air. So Rain should consider, like... Oh my gosh. Yo, these back airs, though. Like, that's the thing. I feel like the match wouldn't... These matches wouldn't be as in Jiga's favor as they are if Rain didn't consistently get hit by these back airs. And that's only happening because he's deciding to fight Jiga on the ground where the back airs are happening instead of like using the platforms, or at least changing up the timing. And it's really just same story every time, as well as these up air slash up tilt rests. Stomp. Oh, he goes for the grab stomp, but the platform kind of messed him up. Interesting drill. Rest. Crouch. Tech. No need. Okay, maybe there was a need. Air dodge. He side Bs. I like it. Cloud was here just in case he needed it too. If you don't know the timing on the Cloud, comes out on the when the seconds are at 4, goes in when the seconds are at 9, comes out on the right side when the seconds are at... Just look it up. I'm doing a horrible job explaining this. Comes out on the right when the how do you say that then? The tens digit? The ones digit of the seconds? I think that's actually the right way of saying that. Oh well, it doesn't matter, we're not even on Yoshi's story anymore. Like, it's not milliseconds at that point, because... No, it's not milliseconds at that point. It's the ones digit and the tens digit. If we go back to Yoshi's, I'll attempt to explain it again. Don't chase. Alright. Don't chase. Stay toward the ground where you can like get shuffled up airs. Raw knee. Actually, it wasn't really raw. He did a quick little dash dance and mix up the timing, and it was enough to throw throw off the bear spacing. Don't get tilted by the jab reset rest. Just good overshooting with the down air so that you don't get shield grabbed. And consequently, like, up throw and rest. That, you can actually, Jiga, you can probably punish, like, when you shield moves like that, like Falcon Side B, you can probably, like, punish that with rest out of shield. Roll left. Up air would have covered more, more area. Oh, Rain. I feel like we're giving up. Get back here. Roll right. Nope. Rain doesn't roll. And Jiga only rolls under pressure. Rain will never roll even under pressure, it seems. Like, get up attack every time. Got a DI left or right, take your pick. Rest that out of shield. Actually, I don't know if you can. It's a lot of shield stun. Jab, reset, rest. Yeah. Falcon punch. No, actually, forward smash. Back throw? Nope. Force stock. Why does Rain do that? Just go to ledge first thing. Is it because he's expecting his opponent to, like, run right at him and then he can ledge hop with ledge invincibility? I mean, Puff can't cover that distance though, so... Right. Oh, okay. So we're taking left. So I think... I wonder if Rain misses a lot of his techs, and that's why he ends up doing get up attack as, like, a second option. Or he's starting to just change it up. Left. Go high? Yeah. Wow. Didn't have a jump. Caught a jump. Left. Nope. Rolls right. No tech. Get up attack. Take it. Falcon punch. No, my gosh, dude. Like, I understand that Rain wants to, like, do the cool stylish thing and beat that dude. But you gotta get the basics first. You gotta crawl before you walk before you run before you wave dash. Left. Yep. And I think Jiga rolled there mostly because it's, like, so much shield stun that it's just hard to, like, jump out of shield. A lot of people, when hit by, like, a single back air, would, like, roll in on Puff. But since Rain is not the kind of person to roll, Jiga can just continue to spam back airs. Like a lot of times, like Puff will just do a few back airs, tap the opponent a bit, and then read the roll. That is not a scenario that Jiga has to worry about here. Like, kind of similar to like Falco shooting lasers on an opponent and forcing the roll, or shield pressure and forcing the roll. It's a shame. Switch characters? No? Toughen it out. I like the Nair hit and run. Oh, almost lived. Wow.
Beef is not what Jay said, the Nas. Beef is when the working folks can't find jobs. So they trying to find
up airs. You gotta down throw, dash forward, and up air. Up airs, plural, actually. You want a weak up air, followed by like, well, I guess they're all weak up airs, so there's no strong hit. Beef is when the judge is calling you defendant. Beef, it comes. What is this song? Let's go. Hand it down to you in a few short minutes. Few short minutes. That's what Jiga's saying. This match is only gonna take a few short minutes. Yo, this is gonna be a Jigadirasu combo video. Like, the song choice would be perfect. A few short minutes. Featuring Jigadirasu. Forward throw, no roll. Don't have to worry about that. Jiga continues to spam back air. Up tilt, read left. Oh, why? I'm treating Rain like any other opponent. Rain does not roll left. Does not roll. Which you should, Rain. You should actually. Now we switch characters. Good. Down airs. You can jab after grab release like that. Falco can just throw out a jab. And it's pretty darn safe because S-Man does that to me all the time. Up tilt there would have been better. Maybe. Probably. I like Rain going for the laser jab. It's lightning fast poke. Good back air. Catching him as he falls through the platform. Roll right? Nope, rolls left. I wonder why. Rolling right would have been better because you've got a platform to protect you. Although Falco could fast fall through it. I don't know. I feel like rolling left was risky. In place, yeah. Down smash, down smash. Darn. Take the hit. Even better. I don't know why Jiga didn't go high. No rolls, so what do you do? Ooh, in place. In place, you're making it too easy. Like, you can't complain about Puff's rests when you're not even, like, DIing or teching left or right. Wait for the attack. She did not wait, died. You gotta mix up your timings. Let Puff swing and miss a few times. That was good, but you should have shined. Or up tilted. Back here? Yeah. one up to... I wouldn't even risk rest. I would just... yeah. Forward tilt. That's it. Best character to get it done. The single laser, so he got punished for that laser. So took more percent than the laser. Like, I guess I see that the lasers aren't really... they really don't do much. I mean, and obviously there are two... oh, wait, can he get this? Down air? No, forward air is better. And he gets to the edge! That was actually really good. That was one of the higher level plays of the, of these matches so far. Left. So yeah, when it's possible for Rain to hit the tech, it seems like he techs away from his opponent, but a lot of times he'll miss the tech. Like, it seems like on a platform he'll always tech in place, or he'll miss a tech and get up a tech in place. On the ground, so maybe that's it. On the ground, if there's like, if he can tech, if it's an easy tech to make, he'll tech away from his opponent if there's enough space away from his opponent. Death. Otherwise, miss the tech, or get him a tech. Yeah, what? Okay, I thought I was gonna take edge again first thing. Rain moving and grooving. Jiga holding it down. Unfazed. I like that full hop, almost got the cloud. Full hop, double back air. I think Jiga should actually do that more. Instead of just the single short hop back airs. It's a nice mix-up. Nice change of pace. Grab, back throw. I disagree with that rest, because if he had DI properly, he would have come down to punish. I think back throw is what I really wanted, but up throw followed by a bunch of back airs would have also gotten the job done. Alright. Alright, Falcon. Rain says Fox and Falco suck balls. I don't know, dude. Pretty good. Recover high? Rain recovers low with his Falcon, I guess to give himself a chance to attack. Jiga respecting it. No rolls. Just knees out of shield. Force smash that. Like, again, all you have to do is just get Falcon off the stage and then edge guard. Up B out of shield right there would have been great. Would have been death, actually. Do the from the heart and then you're in the soul. Oh my gosh, why is this song so good? Back throw, or down throw rather. Like, you think about putting him on the platform, and it's like you might get an up tilt or something out of it. Like, you might get one hit out of it. You throw him off the stage, you're gonna get probably a lot of hits, leading to death, a death situation. So, more good things can come out of just throwing him off the stage than throwing him onto a platform. Gets the edge cancel. Up airs. What is with this up smash? Is he just styling? Like, oh, ripperoni. actually like that nair. Both hits connected on shield and he landed behind him. Up B, go for the edge cancel on the side platform. No! Left? No, why do I... Does not roll left. Get up attack. Actually rolls behind his opponent there. You would have been a genius if that hit. 200 level IQ. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Oh, okay. I saw the stomp come out. There you go. Goes high. Wait for it. Be patient there. You can just get your forward smash. And you need to like go off stage and like get some of these up airs that are available to you. It is cool. I know you want to be a cool Falcon, and it is cool when Falcon goes off stage. Get up attack again. Why you get up attacking so much? Reads the jump. I like that Jiga did. That he at least saw that opportunity. Forward smash. Forward smash would have caught that back air from Falcon. Again. Win some, you lose some. This is a really good internet connection. Let's go, Jiga. Grab up throw. Waits for the get up attack. I like that. Like, you have a better chance of hitting those up tilts when you just wait for your opponent to do something first. Wait for it. Oh, gets the gentleman. No punish. Or no follow-up, rather. Oh, yo. Okay. This might be my last one. Maybe. It depends on how hype I get. If they can continue to show me some hype stuff. I'm tired. So tired. Up tilts. Yeah, it's scary. I really don't like using Mars up tilt in that situation. I need to come up with like some rule, like maybe at a certain percent, like 50 plus, then I'll bring out the up tilt. It's just so crouch cancelable. And you might be able to make that if you try to side B to the left and drift. You just have to react really fast. Nice! Alright, show me something hype. Otherwise, this is it. Oh, yo! Oh, what? He went for it all. Jigga trying to. All right, all right. Okay, that was the last one anyway. That was pretty good. That was actually amazing. That was godlike.